and it's good to work hard and make money for yourself. Welcome to ICO Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Iagon token. Iagon token is a new hot ICO, and I'm going to play a video for you and you see what is all about Iagon token. But before that, the pre-stage start already started on May 27, 2018. That started already. You can sign up, and please, if you want to sign up, use my referral link I'm going to drop down below. Please use that. And let me play the video for you.
Imagine a world with a global computational grid, more powerful than a supercomputer. Imagine a world where anyone can profit by joining a massive processing and storage platform. Imagine a world where data is fully secure and data breaches are no longer a threat. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence becomes accessible to all and produces powerful insights. Imagine Iagon.
Thank you for watching. You can see what is all about, the solution they plan to solve. I like getting involved in ICOs that they have a message, they have a solution to solve. It has a purpose, it has a goal. Well, they're on Facebook, they're on Twitter, they're on Telegram, and you can even register on their Telegram. And on the Telegram, for sure, you can ask any questions and they will reply you. Now, about 32,830 persons like the Facebook page, and 33,000 people are following this already. I believe it's huge. It's huge. Now, let's check their rating. ICO Bench, they have 4.7 rating. I think that is good enough. The ICO profile is 4.9, the team 4.7, 4.9 for vision, 4.6 for product. And now if you scroll down here, the token is IAG. The pre-ICO is 6 cents, while the price of the ICO is 12 cents. Now they accept Ethereum, and the minimum investment is 10% of an Ethereum, that is 0.1 Ethereum. Their soft cap is 5 million. Well, they've reached over $3 million now. So I believe in few days time they should be able to reach that soft cap, while their hard cap is 50 million US dollars. You need a KYC, that is know your customer. That may involve you sending your passport data page to them to confirm. And citizens of US and China are not permitted to invest in this ICO. Now, we can also check the team behind this, and I really take my time to go through it. They have a lot of guys here, a lot of them. This is huge, a lot of them, from the CEO and all the rest, a lot of advisors. And what I find interesting is that many of these guys have worked for a lot of different huge company. So you can see Amazon, IBM, Intel, Oracle. I mean, you can take your time to go through all these guys. It is not an ICO with just 3, 4, 5 persons. This is huge, different guys working together. You know, an ICO needs people who know what they are doing, people who have experience about blockchain, who have experience about marketing. Even if the ICO itself has a function, but the team are not strong enough, it's going to be it's just going to be useless. But when you have a coin or a token that it has a purpose and it has a huge team that they are ready to go and push it forward, they need to go to places. Some ICOs, the team just work on it and they go to sleep. If these, as huge as they are, if they are really determined, I believe this project will go to places. It will surely go to places. Let me check their ways. Well, they registered it in on 2017, last year September, and it will expire to 2020. That's about 3 years. I mean, is to me is huge. It's huge. 3 years is okay. Why do I care about 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? It is when a developer registers their website for 1 year, that may be a kind of red flag. Are they planning to exit scam as soon as possible? Are they here to stay? If they are here to stay, why they can register their website for 3 years or even more? Well, so these registering their software, their website for 3 years may mean is real. But sometimes it doesn't really work like that, because some ICOs register their website for 3 years or even more and they say it's a scam. But I believe with the caliber of people who are in the team of this ICO, I think it should be here to stay. I think Iagon should really put some dollars in our pocket. And let's get a ranking. You can see the ranking here, and they are popular in Singapore, in Asia, Nigeria, African country, Argentina in South America, Russia, Europe, Ukraine, Europe. These countries are really getting involved in ICOs. I know Russia, Ukraine, Singapore, Nigeria, United States, and all the rest. So these are countries where people are really getting involved in this token. So my conclusion, I think these ICOs will go to places. I think it's a good one. And let me let you know, this is not a paid review. I don't get any money from Iagon the developer for reviewing this. I'm doing this for you guys. It is not a paid review. But please remember, I am not your financial advisor. Make your own decision. Check the white paper. I've done that myself. Check it. Check through the team and make your decision. When you 2 times, 3 times, or 10x, or even 20x your money, congratulations. Is this your decision? Thank you very much, very much for watching this. I really appreciate it. Please press the like button, hit it, and please remember to subscribe. And until next time, this is ICO Reviews.